six by 6 posts, which is true 5.5, right? Plus the gate. And so it'll be roughly around here to here, right? So this is the latch on the gate. The gate swings out, comes back in, hits that, latches. Gravity, right? See? There you go. There you go. That's it. We'll drill a hole here when we find the right spot. It goes in another bracket, and then that's it. And then we can drill another hole, 2 holes, one to put a lock here. Custom-made aluminum gate latch. And that's how it works. It looks long right now, but once you put the post, the gate, it's not too long. It's perfect.